How many of you have a drawer that looks like that? Hey there, welcome to the garage. If your garage is perfectly organized and your toolbox is perfectly organized, everything has a place and everything in its place, this probably isn't the video for you. I'm a mess. I have about a half dozen things going on at any one time. And today I'm going to focus on toolbox organization. I'm just looking for a way to kind of clean things up a little bit. I use US General. They're good toolboxes, and they're inexpensive at Harbor Freight compared to some of the ones. But anyway, here's what I'm going to focus on. It works. Things are there. I can dig around and find what I need. But I want to try to make this where it's just a little cleaner. I bought yoga mats from everydayyoga.com. Not a sponsor. I searched around until I just basically found the cheapest yoga mat I could find. 84 inches long by 36 inches wide for about $25, I think, per roll. So $50 all total for all the yoga mat. As always, thanks for watching the channel. I appreciate my subscribers, and I hope this video was fun for you. Dig into your toolbox, get that junk out of there, and get some yoga mat, clean it up a little bit. I don't know, maybe it'll work for you. You guys have a great day. See ya.